In this video, I want to talk about how you can become a Shein affiliate. Now this is pretty easy, guys. What you want to do is you want to have a Shein account and then simply head over to Google and search for Shein affiliate. Go to the affiliate program right here. Now once you're on this program, what you want to do is you want to use your phone to go into this, because if you try this from your PC, it's going to say you cannot do this. But what you need to do is search for affiliate on your phone, and it will show you a little guide here. These are the two ways. So first is just go to the phone and search for this, or the second one is click on your profile on the app and go to affiliate. Now once you're on affiliate and when you get accepted, you can sign up with these. If you're eligible, you will then get a unique code link that you can send to people, and whenever they place orders, you're gonna receive a commission. So this is basically how it works, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.